In this video, we will discuss Region XI or the Northern Mindanao region of the Philippines. Region XI or the Northern Mindanao region is one of the 17 regions of the Philippines, and it is a part of the Mindanao Island Group. The regional center for this region is Cagayan de Oro City. It is composed of 5 provinces, 9 cities, 84 municipalities, and 2,022 barangays. The 5 provinces comprising this region are the following. We have the province of Bukidnon, the province of Camiguin, the province of Lanao del Norte, the province of Misamis Occidental, and the province of Misamis Oriental. The regional center is Cagayan de Oro City in the province of Misamis Oriental. Region X or the Northern Mindanao region is bordered by the following: Bohol Sea, Iligan Bay, Makahalar Bay, Hingoog Bay, Caraga, Davao Region, Soc-Sargen, the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or BARM, Iliana Bay, Pagadian Bay, and the Zamboanga Peninsula. The province of Bukidnon is one of the 5 provinces comprising Region X or Northern Mindanao. The provincial capital or the provincial center of the province of Bukidnon is Malaybalay City. It is composed of 2 cities, 20 municipalities, and 464 barangays. For the province of Camiguin, the provincial center or the provincial capital is Mambajao. It is composed of 0 city, 5 municipalities, and 58 barangays. For the province of Lanao del Norte, the provincial capital or the provincial center is Tubod. It is composed of 0 city, 22 municipalities, and 462 barangays. For the province of Misamis Occidental, we have Oroqueta City as the provincial capital or the provincial center. It is composed of 3 cities, 14 municipalities, and 490 barangays. For the province of Misamis Oriental, the provincial capital or the provincial center is Cagayan de Oro City. It is composed of 2 cities, 23 municipalities, and 424 barangays. And that is all about the different provinces comprising Region X or the Northern Mindanao region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.